Hi, and welcome to my cruise vlogs. So, we are getting ready to go on a cruise, and I am going to do a packing segment, a lot of segments, and we're going to start with my makeup case. So, I have a suitcase makeup case. This is what I am going to use for the first time. So, we are going to pack it up, and I will show you what makeup I am taking on the cruise. So, first on my list, I have my lipstick and lip liners. I am taking 2 lipsticks, one a lighter red and then one more of a burgundy. And then my lip liners, I have a light pink and a burgundy that I will be taking. It's not even out of the package. And I'm going to stick these right in this pocket. And yes, I take a lot of makeup. And we can check that off of our list. Yes, I am a list girl. My eyebrow stuff, which is always in this little cute, this Ziploc bag. That's my eyebrow stuff. Eyeliner. Mascara. Now I do take 2 because you never know. You might want a fuller lash or less of a lash. I do take 2 palettes. I actually got these from the Dollar General. They're the LA colors. They're okay. Inexpensive. Now, all my brushes are in here. Two different color foundations. Ladies, if you know, you know. Out there in the Caribbean sun, you might get a little tan and need to change your color up. I have foundation or primer. I did get this one from e.l.f. Coupon and Dollar General. I'm telling y'all, you can get some good stuff there. Contour and highlighters. My powder. My Shimmer Glow. Eye cream. Hydration by e.l.f. Blush. This is another eyebrow thing. I'm taking this one just in case, just for a quick little fixer-upper. A fixer-upper. This is actually blush. Eyelash curler. I think all you ladies know what those are. makeup sponges, nail file, face setting spray. Gets hot. So these, I love these. Love, love, love these. And I will link below on things that I got like online. These are washcloths. You just get them wet and it's a full washcloth. These little things go in your ear. It helps you with, if you have a snore in your family, they're perfect. Q-tips. Rubber bands. This in this bag has my face toner, face wash, and face moisturizer. These are makeup remover wipes. I'm going to be gone for 10 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I should have done a dry run before I got y'all all in here. Stick that there so they don't slip out. And I'll show you. So in here, oops, we got the sponges, all the other little stuff, the face wipes, all the primers, all my little tubes. And then in there, and I even got more room in there, which I love. And then just zip it up. And I'll show you how I'm going to carry this onto the ship. Because we were also staying in a hotel the night before. And voila, all done. And it has a strap on the back, so you can actually slip it on to your carry-on. Happy cruising.